Is your external component the Facebook library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Facebook links. Quickly resolve Facebook library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Facebook library, a specialized Facebook integration library. It manages the unmanaged authentication and data link manifests for software that integrates directly with Facebook services, such as social sharing or credential retrieval within desktop applications. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by performing a fresh reinstall of the affected software. Reinstall the current official version of Facebook to replace Facebook Library and refresh the program's runtime files. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Facebook library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Facebook library DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. For users interested in automation concepts, the maintenance and repair kit linked below provides background information on managing Facebook library. Thank you for trusting us with Facebook library repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.